In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using DaVinci Resolve effectively. Whether you're completely new to video editing or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will help you understand the basics of getting started with this powerful software. Let's dive right in and explore the essentials together. First, you'll need to go to DaVinci Resolve, which is your starting point for all things video editing. You can download it from their official website. Just a quick heads up, make sure you have the system requirements sorted out, as DaVinci Resolve can be quite resource intensive. Once you have it installed and opened on your computer, you'll be greeted with a sleek interface that's both intimidating and exciting due to its comprehensive features. Once inside, the first thing you'll want to do is insert your media. This is essentially where you bring in all the videos, photos, and audio files that you'll be working with for your project. You can do this by simply clicking on the Media tab and then dragging and dropping your files into the media pool. This is a crucial step because it sets the foundation for your editing project. Having all your resources organized will make the editing process smoother and more efficient. Once your media is in place, your next stop is the inspector located at the upper right corner of the interface. This is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to fine-tune various aspects of your media files. For instance, if you're working with audio and you want to adjust the pitch, you can easily do that here. Just look for the pitch adjustment bar and alter it according to your specific needs. This feature is particularly handy if you're trying to create a certain mood or effect with your audio, allowing for a more professional and polished final product. And there you have it. With your media in place and your basic adjustments made, you're essentially ready to start editing. This initial setup will enable you to dive deeper into the myriad of editing features that DaVinci Resolve has to offer, such as cutting, transitions, and color correction. These functions are the bread and butter for transforming your raw footage into a compelling video narrative. Remember, as you continue to use DaVinci Resolve, your proficiency will grow with time and practice. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools and techniques to discover what works best for your creative vision. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you get comfortable with the basics of DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and happy editing.